Hey, no wait.
Through our high-throughput analyses and mathematical algorithms, we've determined that one should never go unblessed.
And thankfully, with our new application, Never Unblessed, we've solved the problem of having a sneeze event with no blessing.
May the Lord bless your soul. 保佑你。保佑你。Shouldn't it?